Yes, let's look at this JAMB past question English 2018, question number 18. In questions 14 to 21, choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined. The exhibition was an eye-opener to all. The underlined word is exhibition. Options: option A, style; B, examination; C, dispatch; D, display. So which of the following has a meaning that is near to exhibition? Now, for us to get this into perspective, we need to know the meaning of the various words. Now, what is exhibition? Exhibition simply means a collection of things shown to the public. A collection of things or works, artworks shown to the public. So when you've collected things and you're showing it to the public, you're displaying it. That is exhibition. So you can see that even without explaining all this, you can see that display is the right option. But we are going to define the words one by one. Style. What is style? Style is simply features of a book or painting or building that makes it typical of a particular author or artist. So style simply means features that make something to be related to a particular person or author. You understand? So that when you come, you say, this is the style of Tclassified. This is my style because this is the way I do things. So style simply means way of doing things. So that feature that you can easily link up somebody with. Now we are going to look at the other word, examination. What is the meaning of examination? Examination is the act of looking into or considering something. You're looking into something, you're examining, you want to examine something. So you're looking into something. You understand? You're observing something, examining something. Dispatch. What is dispatch? Dispatch simply means to send somebody or something somewhere for special purpose. To send something or somebody somewhere for a purpose. That is dispatch. You've sent it already. I've treated this case with dispatch. I've already done it and I've sent it to where it's supposed to be. Now, what is display? Display means to put something in a place where people can see it. To put something in a place where people can see. You can see that where people can see it. So you can see that it's the same thing as showing something to the public. That makes option D the right answer. Display is very close to exhibition, and that's why it is the answer. Thank you.